Hey guys, it's Holly and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you guys my current morning skincare routine as well as the makeup look that I've been doing the most frequently in the last couple of weeks. So my skincare routine has recently changed up. I've been trying lots of new products and I also make my own toner, and so I'll show you that and what I use to make it. And it's really helped clear up my skin. It's made me break out a whole lot less and my skin is just a lot softer and healthy looking, I guess. So I've never really struggled with severe acne or anything like that, but I do get the odd spot, and when I get the odd spot it's very noticeable, so this skincare routine has really helped make sure that that doesn't happen. Then the makeup that I do, my makeup changes as often as I change clothes. I love wearing bright bold colors just on a regular daily basis, but this look in particular is one that I have been repeating over and over again, which doesn't happen very often with me. So I love the combination of orange and blue, especially because it's summer right now, and I just think that it goes with so many of my clothing because I wear a lot of yellow and orange, and I absolutely love how it looks, and so I have been doing it quite a lot. And yeah, so it might be a little bit more fancy, bold, intense than like what you guys might consider as like your daily makeup, but this is what I like to wear. I like wearing bright colors, it makes me feel happy, and I just love bold makeup, so that's why I wear this. My lipstick also tends to change a bit. Quite often I don't even wear lipstick at all. I'll just wear like a lip tint or a lip gloss or a lip balm. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get into it. I start off my skincare routine by pulling my hair out of my face, and I take my Duval Radiance Spin Care System. This brush comes with 4 interchangeable heads: a face wash brush, a face exfoliating brush, a body exfoliating brush, and a pumice stone, which softens rough skin such as your elbows and heels. My favorite thing about this brush is the fact that it is battery operated, so you don't have to plug it in or charge it. This brush's spinning motion works like an electric toothbrush, and it removes dirt, makeup, and excess oil more thoroughly than your average washcloth. It gives each pore individual attention. This brush is perfect for those who fake tan, as its a full body exfoliating brush will ensure your tan lasts longer. And the fine brush bristles gently remove dead skin cells and unclogs pores, leaving your skin looking radiant and feeling fresh and clean. Thank you to Duval for partnering me on this video. Duval is also offering all of my viewers a 70% off promo code, so you can get your own Radiance skincare system using the link below and the code HALSEY at checkout. This is an awesome opportunity, and 70% off is an incredibly good deal that you do not want to miss out on. So to tone my face, I'm using my homemade toner, which is made of water, aloe vera, and tea tree. This is my favorite toner as it's super refreshing, and the tea tree essential oil helps prevent breakouts. I much prefer this to any store-bought toners. It's got way less ingredients and my skin always just feels so much better when I use it. I am prone to dry skin and eczema, so I use a doctor prescribed heavy duty moisturiser that I let sink in on my skin for 10 minutes before applying makeup. I am then just applying Rosebud Salve to moisturise and prep my lips. I'm starting by using my Smashbox Photo Ready Primer. I've used this forever and I love how well it keeps my foundation in place. I'm then taking my Estee Lauder foundation and applying that with the flat foundation brush. To conceal my dark under eye circles and any blemishes, I'm applying my Wet n Wild concealer. To add a dewy look, which I love for summer, I am taking a liquid highlighter and applying this to the high points of my face. To set everything in place, I'm using my Revolution banana powder, which I love, and it also smells like bananas. I am now taking a bronzer and softly contouring my cheekbones, temples, nose and jawline. I've recently fallen in love with lip and cheek tints and have been using the Balm palette every day on my lips and cheeks. I love how long this product stays on and the dewy texture it adds to my cheeks. I'm then just taking a light matte brown eyeshadow to fill in my brows. I honestly don't even remember the last time I bought a proper brow product. I find eyeshadow works just as well and saves you money. So now onto eyeshadow. I am using my Revolution Marvellous Mattes palette, which I am obsessed with. I'm starting by taking this beautiful bright yellow and applying that all over my lid and crease and my lower lash line. Then I am taking an orange and blending this into my crease to create a shadow. I'm then taking the muted pink shade onto my lid. And now I'm taking a brown and placing that in my crease and outer corner to really make my eyes pop. I love wearing a coloured eyeliner, and this bright blue liner is my absolute favourite. I'm adding a wing and lining under my tear duct. I always end up with eyeliner all over my face. I love just creating new shapes and lining random parts of my face in different colours. I've just had a lot of fun with these eyeliners. I am then defining this by taking a black liner and going over the bottom part of the blue liner on my eyes. I feel like this just helps draw the look together, and it still allows that eyeliner to pop whilst lining my upper lash line. I'm finishing this look off with some mascara and then a peachy orange lip gloss. guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to pick up your very own Devol face brush, then make sure that you click the link in my bio and use this code at the checkout. I hope you guys like seeing my makeup routine. If you want to see more of my videos, and then make sure you hit the big red subscribe button down below and turn on the notification. If you want to see more of my videos, make sure you hit the big red subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell. I upload new videos every Wednesday, as well as a couple special videos once a month. So if you want to see those, then make sure you're subscribed. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and yeah, smile, be safe, and stay beautiful, and I'll see you in my next video. Adios.